Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be going through and we'll be talking about Cinder, the easy accounting for e-commerce. We will go through some pros and cons about these programs, what it's worth, and also I'll show you what it is all consistent or what is it all about. So, Cinder is an advanced accounting software developed specifically for e-commerce business in order to automate their workflow and elevate their sales. It enables users to synchronize their online payment processors seamlessly and automate sales reconciliation from various e-commerce systems. With Cinder, users can simplify their credit card payment processing, extract an overview of their online sales, enables online transactions for e-commerce businesses, and synchronize their payments platform with accounting software. The software further provides collaborative roadmaps and instant help for customers with live chat, emails, phone calls, and screen sharing. Users get an easy-to-use interface and transparent customer policy, along with free onboarding help with Cinder. You can also synchronize your previous transactions using QuickBooks, Xero, or Xero anytime and anywhere with Cinder. The software offers a free demo versions to test and try its premium features to assist you in making the right choice before making the actual purchase. In addition, they provide a wide array of premium plans to fit every type of requirement. It's made for all types of businesses, for freelancers, large, medium, and even small businesses, and it's not very well suited for individuals though, because they are aiming to provide enterprise level support. Well, in this case I chose to go with a free trial because I already added or connected my bank with my actual account. So when you start on free trial, you just basically get into this login window, and you can easily log in with Google. You can just pick the account you want to log in with, and to be honest, it's really a few-minute job. Once we are already in here, this is our dashboard or our workspace where we have all the actual number figures and all the integrations, and we can see in real time our expenses, our withdrawals, or the movement on our accounts. In our dashboard you can see the profit and loss dashboard, cash on hand, and that's it. In transactions, for banking, actually you have to first add your bank, but for the sake of this video I'm not gonna do that actually. And also platform transactions, that's the same goes with this one. But first, as you can see, it's demo, so they are trying to basically connect Cinder or PayPal that you can connect with the transactions. Then we have smart rules, sales. In smart rules we have rules and executions. But first, as you can see, we have to connect to PayPal or just connect it later. Back to connections. They are really wired around the fact that you will connect your personal bank info and then proceed. We have invoicing, which is basically basics, or start with every single e-commerce accounting system. We can create an invoice easily. You can start with one customer name. Let's go with you can create obviously the customer very easily. Ben Let's go like this. We just easily can create the customer, create in days. You can browse dates for actual date, or you can actually browse files if you want, for example, some the delivery card used in location and also currency. Select the product. Let's create one. Brackets. I sell this item. Sales. And sale price 10,000. Create product. And as you can see, we have total amount. And also we need to go with payment methods. Oh, this is... And also we can add shipping price, shipping discount, and tax shipping shipping tax. Sorry. Product description. We don't need that. We don't need tax. And for payment methods, somehow we can't actually go with a payment method, and that's really weird. Where's the problem here? But on my normal account, this works by basically if you want to pay in cash or account transfer or basically PayPal. And that's maybe why this is not working in this payment method, because I haven't added my personal account or PayPal. So Sender can't really tell in which way I'm able to receive money for this purchase. So we have to go with blank. And yeah, as you can see, we can't really pick the payment method at the moment. We can go with payment links, sales receipts, contacts that we just created. As you can see, Ben Bell, we can easily add a contact. We can easily add a product that we are selling at the moment. There's only a rockets for 10,000 euros, refund receipts, invoice payments, transfers, deposits, and journal entries. Then we can go with expenses. For example, if we are actually reselling the rockets or any kind of product that we are selling, or we are manufacturing the rockets. In that case, in expenses, we will be going through all the things that we need to buy to create a rocket. Also workforce or human force, purchase orders, bills and payments. Then we have reporting for sales, expenses, profit and losses, and balance sheet. Charts of accounts, which are meant to be for our employees. That is going to go through, and then obviously the settings. In settings, we are meant to go and basically connect the PayPal, invite more people into our Cinder account, and we can select the platforms, organizations, tell them about ourselves, and overall it's very nice way to do things here. So that's about it, guys. If you have any more questions about Cinder, please leave them underneath this video and we'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.